Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 114 summary. In this first clip we can see Ukrainian artillery leveling 2 BMPs, and once the smoke had cleared, a third BMP was able to be captured by Ukrainian forces, which we'll see here in this part of the clip. Captured vehicles have been used by the Ukrainians to a very large extent. We've seen that a large amount of main battle tanks, such as the T-72B3 and a couple of T-90s and T-80 BVMs, are currently being used by Ukraine, and hopefully this BMP-2, although an armored personnel carrier, will join the ranks. In this next clip we can see a cruise missile attack being conducted on the city of Mykolaiv once more. Mykolaiv is around 20 miles from the front lines near Kherson, and the front line is moving further and further away and towards the city of Kherson. Currently, it appears that the Ukrainians are about 7 to 5 miles from the outskirts of the city of Kherson, and hopefully will be able to recapture it within the next month, although no one's very sure if that will be possible. Here we can see the remnants of a Russian Su-25 that has crashed near Belgorod. The current reports are that it may have hit a power line, which clipped one of its wings. In this video, we can actually see a Ukrainian main battle tank somewhere in the area of the Donbass, operating from the commander's view. In the last clip, we can see Ukrainians using a Purin to once again shoot down another Orlan. The unit that shot down the was the third drone that was shot down today by their unit.
Третий петух нахуй сзади. Диви, сука, блядь, тобі, сука, вечір в хату, блядь, курва, блядь. О, є! Третій Орлан.
Please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.